I bet you didn't know AI can help save lives in hospitals. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Picture this: a doctor, exhausted and rushing between patients. In the midst of the chaos, a small error on a patient chart goes unnoticed. The wrong medication is administered and stress levels spike. But wait. Enter AI-powered software, a vigilant assistant that catches the mistake just in time. The doctor sighs in relief, knowing a potential disaster was averted. Doctors are human, and mistakes happen. But AI can be a safety net, double-checking and catching errors before they become critical. It's like having an extra pair of eyes and ears, making healthcare safer and more reliable. Imagine a future where AI and doctors work hand in hand, ensuring every patient gets the best care possible. That future is here. AI supporting doctors, protecting patients. Because every patient deserves the best care.